Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in high-leverage prerequisites that let you move fast. Pick one niche and 3 distinct hooks to test immediately. Capture vertical 9, 16 clips at 1080 x 1920 and prioritize a 0 3-second visual hook so viewers don't scroll away. Once done, write 3 caption variants and clear CTAs, follow, comment, share, so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to batch 5-10 clips now. This upfront work fuels consistent uploads and reliable learnings over several days. Now you move into fast, repeatable production. Lock a single lighting setup and camera exposure so your feed looks cohesive. Consistency signals authority. Edit videos to 15-25 seconds with punchy cuts, aim for 0. 5 to 1 second beats during the first 6 seconds to maintain attention. Once edited, layer 1 trending audio and 1 custom hook sound so your clip is discoverable and branded. Make sure to export at platform codec settings, then schedule multiple variants across peak upload windows to gather comparative data. You finalize by posting and optimizing. Publish 3 variants within 48 hours and track retention, click-through rate, and comments to see what hooks stick. Once you have results, prioritize clips that improve retention by 10% or more and scale similar ideas. If engagement rises, double down. If performance lags, swap the opening hook or thumbnail and test different posting times while keeping the same core edit. One troubleshooting tip: if views plateau, change the hook or sound before over-optimizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.